Alright, hi guys. This Appayable mass banning assault by Google. As you already know, they don't like the permissions that Appayable has without having a UTULA or some agreement, a terms of service agreement in the app that states that it's going to collect the user's data, search engine data, personal phone number data, and GPS data, which the users didn't know was being collected, but it was. Okay, now what do we do about it? Let's go back. Let's go to the solution first, and then the problem. All right. First thing, update your app. Change something in the name of your app, and make sure that changes in the APK that you put out. So let's say you have a Cars app, right? You're gonna change the name to Cars HD app, right? Or Cars app HD. Then on the APK, you rename it Cars HD app. Why? Because Google sends out bots. All right, they don't manually check these apps. So let's say you have 10 Cars app in your thing, and you have 11th one is the update. If you don't change the name of the first one and the APK name, right, it's gonna read that first one and the ones before it, and guess what? You're gonna get banned anyway. So you have to make a change in the name, just a slight change. You can just put a T or A there. It doesn't matter. Just have that change there and have the change in your APK. All right, that's the first thing. Second thing, reply to the emails that Google sends you. Why? Google doesn't send it, the bot sends it. If they don't receive a response, even if you updated your app the way I told you to, you're still going to get banned. So that's the second thing you got to do. Third thing you got to do, and this is very important, call Google. I'll give you the phone number right now. All right. If you're in the USA, you can call Google at 1-877-355-5787. All right? Let me repeat that number. 1-877-355-5787. And that's the USA hotline. Now, if you're a worldwide developer, you call 1-646-257-54. Sorry, 1-646-257-4500. All right, and that's for worldwide. All right, one more time. 1-646-257-4500. That's worldwide developers, all right? And I already told you a US number. All right, so you have to do those three things. Update the app, change the name of the app, and on the APK, change the name. All right? Reply to email, because like I said, the bot is going to check the apps, the archived apps, and the email. Now, if you don't want it to check your archived apps, you got to have a different name for the top app. But it has to be the same bundle. All right. Now, and then call them. Call Google. You know, find out what you can about your app. Let them know you're in compliance. All right, and that's what you do. All right, now that's the first part of the problem. Knock that off. Boom. You're taken care of. All right. That's the solution. Now the problem is, it seems like Appayable didn't tell the developers exactly what to do. That they're supposed to put the terms of service. They had it in their terms of service. But sometimes developers don't read that, and then they get screwed. But it doesn't even matter, because honestly, if you did have the terms of service, Google hit you anyway. So Google, at least this time, is going to give you some time to fix the problem. So you must do the solutions that I told you if you want to stay safe and still be in the Google Play Store. And other app stores are actually starting to ban that same SDK. So I would just say forget about that SDK. You know what I mean? It makes good money, but it's not worth it. All right. Also, Google has a 3 strikes rule. All right. 3 strikes rule applies to everything. Your developer account, and if you're using one of these online tools to build apps, that too. App Geyser, I Build Apps, MIT App Inventor, and the other one, Andromomo. It seems like the other app builders are okay, but it seems like Andromomo, from from what I see here, they actually had 2 strikes before. One I think with AirBop and Ping Jam. So Apps Payable will be their third strike, so they might get banned for Google, which pretty much sucks for the people that paid for their service, because that's not a free service. Is actually a paid service, as I'm reading here. Yeah, it's a paid service. $99. Well, basically $100. And yeah, they might get banned, and whoever paid for it, I mean, oh my God, like they're gonna have to go to another app service, and they already paid, you know, all that money. Hopefully, no one got it recently. All right, and that's about it. All right, so if you have any questions on the video, I know there's probably gonna be a ton of questions. Please leave you know, comment below. We'll try to have the phone number below too, also, and how to contact Google. All right, all right. Take care, guys, man. Go fix that up. Go fix it up now. Take care.